Hello, I'm Teacher Susan. Welcome to my channel Fun Science. To start off, for our understanding in inheritance, focusing on Mendel's first law, let us look at the drawing of the schematic diagram showing the monohybrid inheritance of height in plants.
So let's say we are starting off from the parent. So we will have the parental genotype. Okay, dominant means both alphabet big T. Homozygous dominant breed is big T, and then recessive homozygous recessive, we represent them with small t. Genotype is the genetic condition of any organism that we are showing here. And the phenotype represent the physical property of the organism. So when we see both big T and big T, as long as there is a dominant allele, so this one means tall. As long as both alleles are recessive, this one means short. Okay, this is the phenotype of the parent. So now, from this genotype of the parents, okay, they will split into two gametes. Since it is a dominant trait, therefore, it will split into two alphabet T, big T, representing dominant gamete. Similarly to another adult, another parent, it is a recessive, so therefore the gamete carry only recessive gene. Let's do the crossbreed. Okay, let's do the crossbreed. So first of all, I'm taking the first gamete from the dominant plants and the first gamete from the recessive plant. Once they do a crossbreed, they will carry a big T and a small t. This is the genotype for F1 generation. The first generation, first child, first daughter plants that produce here, because they have a big T. Therefore, when a dominant allele is present, this one means it is a tall plant. Okay. Now I'm taking the first gamete with the second gamete from the second plants. So when I do the crossbreed, I will get big T, small t as well. As long as you see a dominant allele, immediately this one means tall. The phenotype means tall. Okay, next, I'm taking the second gamete from the first plant, crossbreed with the first gamete from the second plant, and I'm getting big T, small t. When there is a dominant T here, which means tall. Lastly, I am taking the second gamete from the first plant with the second gamete from the second plant, and I'm getting big T, small t. So when there is one big T, dominant allele, it must be tall. So all these will be the first F1 generation. When you look at the big T, small t, all these represent genotype. When you see the physical property tall, this one will be the phenotype for your F1 generation. Lastly, the question will ask you for ratio. Okay, what is the ratio between tall and short? Do you have any short plants? No, right? So our answer will be all of them are tall. All the 4 plants produced are tall. Alright?
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Kindly like my video, share it out to your friend, comment and subscribe my channel Ramble Susan. Don't forget, hit the notification bell. Thank you. See ya.